Courage and skill of the fearless men who performed some of the most dangerous undertakings of the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a small chair,
I know, but it turns itself
blasting
off.
and chipping away at the rock. They worked the walls to their solid flat foundation to prevent the natural rock from falling on workers below.
Come on, I don't know. Just snap it quick. Okay, thank you.
That we have in our grasp the power to do anything if we only stumble into it. Thank you for visiting one of the top 10 construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you like. The next presentation on the Discovery Tour is located across the street.
Oh, there's Jack.
Larry, you having fun?
Oh, I'm having a great time.
Come and do it.
Having a good time, Claudia? Here, Larry. Larry, see this?
On the island
Hold
of
this so
Hoover
that
Dam.
I can get in it.
Oh, look at that view down there.
Concrete dam in western hemisphere. Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 144 feet across the top, with only 78 feet across the base.
Thank you. Yeah. Which one?
Over here. This one that was built back there when they built the dam. They said they still use it.
Okay. You get the picture of it. Okay. Colorado River. Out for now.